no idea what's gonna happen. So hopefully everything we did on the last video works out. So we'll see how everything holds up. Right, Ashley?
You're done. It's broken.
Did y'all see that? I don't know. I'm pretty sure I stalled the car like 3 or 4 times when I did the clutch kick, and just the car completely goes out of control. Like, I'm not even hitting throttle anymore, and it just continues to go around in circles.
Spinning, they spinning, they spinning.
They spitted, they spitted. What'd you think, Ashley?
I don't know, I closed my eyes for half. Gravity took over. I was like,
oh my gosh, that was pretty adrenaline pumping there.
yeah, because you feel like you're gonna be in a car accident, but you're not. Like, you know what I mean? You're like, ah, like in real life on the highway, you'd die, but like here, you're not dying. So.
Yeah, we're not dying, so lots of fun.
You feel how the back end started to come around, right?
Okay, yeah.
So do that and then stay on the throttle a little bit longer. You'll probably spin, but that's okay, right?
Okay.
Oh, solve it.
Forgot the clutch.
Yep. There you go. You're getting it some, right?
Okay.
What's the plan this time? You do some more donuts and then...
I was gonna see if I can track the donut a little better, like going in this way. I gotta relearn everything you taught me.
So you're getting frustrated and you're trying to enter too fast.
Okay, too fast.
And so it's understeering, so just going. So just calmly go into the corner, nice and slow. You know, power over, clutch kick, whatever, get it sideways, do your little donut, come out of your donut, do your figure eight. Remember, you're making a U-turn.
Yeah.
Would you try to make a U-turn at 25 miles an hour? Like,
no.
You got to think about if the physics don't change. You can't exceed what the car is capable of.
Got it, okay.
Right?
Pretty well. Did a couple of donuts, having a hard time doing the transition. I definitely do the donut better when I'm turning to the left hand side. So I'm gonna do some practicing trying to do donuts right hand. Then we'll see if I can do the other track that they have going here. That's the other track that they've got going for people that know more than what I know. So Ashley's been just kind of helping out.
Moral support.
She's a pit boss, and we'll eventually get her learning how to drift too soon. What do you think about that, Ashley?
Sounds good.
So let's see if we can link up some more of these donuts and maybe a figure eight or two, and then see what else we can do.
Pulling some angle out of the car. So you need to turn in some.
Pull in after.
You know, turning in will cause the car to go in and it'll pull angle out.
Got it. Was that better?
You can straighten up here, or you can try to transition it. And if you spin out or whatever, you've got plenty of room to get on the brakes and save yourself before tire, car, pole, whatever. Do it again. Let go of the wheel. Okay. See how so a little late and a little bit too much angle, but you saw how you pulled it back.
Yeah.
And it kept the car drifting. So let's try that again. There you go. And you transitioned. How was that?
Whoa.
I mean, it was a little sloppy, but you did it, right?
Yeah.
Almost more by instinct than anything.
Well, there you have it. So we went and did some more donuts on the skid pad, was able to learn how to do some transitions, which was pretty sweet. So it was definitely a lot of fun. Let me show you what the tires look like. So all in all, not too bad. We didn't even go through our second set of tires, which is fine by me. And so we'll probably hit the track again here soon. Oh, Ashley, any final words?
Shift to drift.
Shift to drift, there you go. All right, see you guys.